How's it going, guys? This is my '05 Honda Shadow Spirit. I'm going to be tearing it down for you guys. As you can see, I've already got some done. Been in the process. I've had it run before. I've taken it apart. I've taken parts off my other motorcycle to put on this one to get it running. So now I'm just going to give you the rundown of exactly what I'm going to do to this, what needs to be done to it. The gas tank, it is rusty, so we're going to probably go through that and show you guys how I'm going to do that. I'm going to make this into a drop seat hardtail bobber. So this whole back end of this thing is going to be completely removed, dropped off. Probably going to have a whole another tank. I will clean that, probably end up doing something else with that one. But a lot of this bike isn't going to be original what it was before. It's all going to be super custom, and I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get started. Alright, I do want to do a walk around with this thing. I've already taken the back fender off. I'm going to be removing exhaust pipe, stock air cleaner, tank, front fender, handlebars, all my cables and everything here, they're already hanging and stuff. I'm going to be removing that. All my signal lights, headlight, pegs, everything I pretty much need to get off to get to just the frame. All I need right now is just removal of everything. I'm going to leave it set up. That way I can pull everything off, and then I'm going to get the engine out of here so I can make my cuts where I want to make them. This thing is going to be chopped about here. So all this rear end I'm going to refabricate myself, build new. It's going to be quite the task. Got a long road ahead of me, but I'm going to record every bit of the way. It will be sped up in some areas, so you guys don't have to sit and go through all the boring, slow, tedious crap. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this.
You're only one. You choose it, don't lose it, don't let confuse it. Only then you'll be gone. Feel like that. Feel like that.
Alright guys, I wanted to show you some progress. My battery died, so I plugged it in and let it charge while I was tearing this thing apart. I couldn't hold up. Got the car out, got all my wiring, harness, everything all pulled out. It's all over here, a little bit over there, a little bit over there. Welcome to my humble little shack here. But yeah, I'm getting there. Got to pull out my swing arm here. I got a bolt here I got to yank out. I got to get this out. And then we got a mount here. This holds it. Got one here. And then I got one on each side here that'll mount the engine in. But yeah, I'm just about tore down. I'm actually thinking, now that I've gotten this apart, this square tubing, I'm going to probably replace this with just pipe, so I'll end up cutting it off, clear up here, and then just reusing all this bottom round pipe, chop it free here, and then I'll refabricate all this upper area here all myself, and then where it drops down here, so it probably won't remount how it goes now. It'll end up being a little different than how it is now because of the whole swing arm mount and everything else, how everything holds in right there. But there she is, getting it. Been out here maybe four hours or so, and I got her pretty much all tore apart, fluids all drained, everything.